So hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to draw a monkey face, or it's a gorilla face, step by step. Okay, so let's just start it without talking. So first of all, we're going to do something like this. Okay, and then here and so here also, and then okay, it's kind of look nice, and then this little dot here also, and little bit of here, this one, and we're just going to give all the necessary part to make it clear. Okay, so now it's kind of looking like as simple as it, and then we're going to make this also here. So first of all, give it his nice and shiny eyes like this, and then his eyebrow like this, and then like this one. Okay, and then kind of looking like this, and then here like this, and then now just give all the join the separate area like this, and then okay, so basically now this is whether you can draw it. And now it's time to coloring in this one, and we're going to use cream color for his face, and except his nose, we're going to make it black like this for his nose. Okay, like this, and then we're going to cream color all of his face area like this except the eyes. Let me color the eyes first, this sky blue color, and then the green color also, see, this is how we can draw it. And then his whole hair part like this, and I'm going to use some gray color for the for his hair, just like this. It's a normal drawing. Okay, if you want to do any kind of another color, you can use it. It's all up to you. Okay, so it's done like this. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in the next video. Thank you.